What's up, everyone? It's Melanie from Cheap and Cheeky. As you guys know, I'm a 40-something hot mess of a mama who's always trying to find ways to stay looking young and hot, but without spending a lot of money. And the problem is when women get older, our eyes tend to droop, the skin gets real crepey, and what starts out as a wing usually ends up as a frown. So half the battle is actually wearing my hair up and out of my face, which gives me an instant facelift. Today, I'm trying out this product called BQ Hair. And what it is a dual eyeliner and eyebrow pencil. But the most exciting thing about this is that it has eyeliner stickers, which is something I have never ever tried before in my life. And I'm gonna try it out in front of you today for the very first time. This is the box that BQ Hair comes in. And I'm gonna put on my little old lady glasses. Ooh. They're really dirty. And I'm gonna see if I can read the directions on the, oh my goodness. You guys, look how small this font is. I may just have to watch back the recording of this so I can figure out how to use this product. But I can see, oh my goodness, there's like little pictures of the sticker, of the eyeliner stickers here. Why would you put a black image on a black box? So I guess I'm just gonna have to wing it. So let's see what's inside the box. This is the dual purpose pencil and eyeliner, and I'm just gonna show you. It is black, and this is the eyebrow stick right here. And I do not have black eyebrows, so I am not gonna use it. And I dropped the cap, uh-oh. I have no idea where the cap went. It's probably gone forever. Oh. It was right here the whole time. Wow. And this is the other side. And let's put a little bit of it on my hand. So it's a pen eyeliner, and I really do like using pen eyeliners as long as they stay wet, because when they dry out, they are no-go anymore. And finally, we have the eyeliner stickers. Ah. All right, let's see what they look like. Oh, there's a little card. It says thank you with a little kid on the back. The little card talks about they have a money back guarantee, so if you don't like the product, you can reach out to them. Okay, and here are the eyeliner stickers. And there are 9 of these little things, each with 8 uses. So 8 times 9 is 72. So there's 72 stickers on here. You guys, I suck at math. I can't, whatever. Okay, anyway. So I didn't put any makeup on my eyes because I'm a little bit concerned that these are not gonna stick if I do that. Let's see how to put these on. It says refer to above picture as the right instruction. Okay, I can't see that picture, you guys. I guess that's it right there. Okay, so we wanna put it on this in this direction. Let's try this. I'm just gonna do it with my fingers and we'll see how it goes. Okay, so I'm gonna take off the sticker. So this piece goes on the inner corner and this is the outer corner. All right. Okay. Oh. It's stuck on my finger pretty good. Okay. Let's do this. Oh, yeah. I need to adjust that a little bit, don't you think? Okay. It's so weird how this goes down like that, but like, it somehow does fit on your eye properly. Okay, so like, I feel it poking me in the inner corner of my eye. Okay, it's kind of lifting up a little bit. Okay, I'm not mad at it or anything. It's all right, I guess. I'm gonna take this one off because I've already kind of destroyed this one. I'm gonna put on some eye makeup because normally I would wear eyeliner on top of eye makeup. So let's see if it, I'm afraid it might not stick, but I'm gonna try it anyway. Let's try this again over eyeshadow. Oh. right over the eyeshadow. The eyeshadow is not a problem, which I like. Okay, cool. So I'm gonna apply a little bit of eyeshadow to this eye now. And I'm gonna do another one of these stickers. The most important thing is you want to get it in the inner corners, because if you don't start it off correctly, you're not going to get it in the right place. There we go. How about that? Now here's my issue. My eyes are just still, they're way too small, and I think that these are just a little bit too big for my eyes. I'm gonna trim it a little bit and see if that fits better. So I will be right back. Here we go. I'm just gonna take these off. Remember, take them off gently so you don't rip your eyelids. And I'm just gonna trim, oh, it looks like I folded it anyway. I'm gonna trim this little smidgen right here. I'm not really sure what I'm doing. I'm kind of just swinging it, and I'm gonna give it like a little bit of an edge. There, I just trimmed off a little bit on the inside, and I gave it like a little bit of a corner so that it kind of, you know, swoops in there. All right, let's try this again. That's better. You know, that's one of the shitty things about having tiny eyes, is that eyelashes and these little stickers are not the right size, but that is sitting a lot better on my face. What do you guys think? I don't mind it. I don't mind it. All right, let's try the other side now. Oh, I just destroyed it. I just cut a little too much. But I'm gonna use it anyway, fuck it. This side is a little harder for me to do. Voila! Dun dun dun! What do you guys think of my stickers? And I think I'm just gonna touch up where these little like parts are that got skipped. I'm just gonna touch it up a little bit with the marker. I kind of like it. Now the final step is to put a little bit of mascara on. So let's do that and we'll see the finished results. All right, let's do this thing. I'm using my eyelash curler. I love this mascara, this Wet n Wild Volume Mascara. And look at that, I didn't even get any mascara on my face this time. Yay! The eyeliner is still on my face and I think it looks pretty nice. For shits and giggles, I think I'm gonna put on some of this eyebrow pencil just to see how it feels going on. Now this is black, obviously, so it is not the right color for me, but let's try it. Oh, actually, it's not so bad. I like the little angled tip because it helps you, like you can put little brush strokes on it. I'm not hating that either. Let me finish up the job. There we go. What do you think of my eyebrows? All right, final thoughts on the BQ Hair eyeliner and eyebrow pencil with eyeliner stickers. So as an eyebrow pencil, I think it works really nice. I think it's, you know, obviously it's for girls with black or dark brown hair. And the marker is acceptable. It's not as wet as I would prefer, especially for somebody with like crepey eyes like I have, you know, because I'm old. But I am kind of digging these eyeliner stickers, and the thing that I really like about it is that I don't have to futz around with trying to figure out where to put my wing, because when I do regular winged eyeliner like that, I actually have to like start it like right in the middle of my eye here, so because my eye folds like that. So I have to start in the middle, and it's like giant to get it into a wing. So with this, I don't actually have to do that, and it does look pretty realistic, I think. I mean, even if you look up close, I don't think anybody would know that you're wearing an eyeliner sticker. I'm probably gonna leave it on for the rest of the day so that, you know, I can let you know in the comments down below. So just be careful taking them off your eyes because your eye area is really sensitive and they kind of hurt when you take them off. So just be really gentle with that. So if you're interested in this product, I will put the link in my video below. And let me know what you think of these eyeliner stickers. Would you try them for yourself? Leave me a comment and let me know. And as always, thank you so much for watching. Mwah!